Alright everybody, we're gonna do a little PSG vlog here in Montreal with myself, Jay, and Jess. Let's get started.
Alright, so headed down to the lobby to have some breakfast. I'm not really a breakfast kind of girl, but there is a cafe attached to this hotel that I love. So my breakfast has gotten exponentially better since I found this cafe. I think the boys are going to be just down here in the lobby too, so let's see. I think as I come out here before me, just like the good look. And I'm the last here, naturally, so, you know, fashionably late. Or they're just early because the queen never arrives late. I don't know. But anyway, right. It's time for breakfast. I was telling the vlog that there's a cafe connected to the, you guys haven't been to the cafe connected to the breakfast? I'm showing the boys something today, let's go. Alright, so this coffee shop has saved me every single morning. Good morning. Can I please get a large latte, whatever your largest latte is, please? Thank you. With one sugar.
Can you get two, please?
Yeah.
Oh, joining me.
Sorry?
Do you want sugar?
Yes.
And that's it?
Nothing for you, Jay?
Nah.
That's all, thank you. Guys, the fucking Ferris wheel is closed.
It's closed?
We got up early. We got up early to go to the Ferris wheel together for the vlog,
Yeah.
right? So we could all enjoy some time together, get some good views from the Ferris wheel.
Now, how am I supposed to go on top with Pengu now?
What?
I guess we can look at it.
Okay.
I'm Australian. We don't have squirrels in my country, so I'm gonna see if I can catch this squirrel.
No, you can't.
Come back.
He's in the tree.
He's staring directly at me.
Yeah, he knows.
We have to speak French to him. Petit, yalla petit,
He only
They speak French too.
yalla petit.
It's a French squirrel.
It's a French squirrel.
Where are you from?
New York?
New York.
Yes.
Really?
Unfortunately.
Do you like it?
No, I'm not saying that. It's like alright. I mean, I've been living there my whole life, so
It's getting tiring.
tiring.
If you could go any other places, what would it be?
Visiting or like living?
Living.
Living. Probably Denmark. I liked when I was over there. I like Denmark a lot.
Are you saying that because of Pengu?
Maybe. No, but when I was over
Bias.
there, I actually liked it though. Very biased, but like at the same time, I did like it over there. When I was in Copenhagen major, loved everything about it. It was good. I'm not gonna lie, you might have to pan that over.
That's f***ing funny. What are they doing?
Can you lay like that?
Oh, like all the way? Okay.
And then like
I'm just dead now.
Oh, shit.
I am enjoying the ground over here.
Nice.
I need like a sexy accent. Like I can't do French. I can't do like Italian.
You can't do French or Italian.
Wait, so you're from France? What's the sexiest accent that's not French? Because you speak English with a French accent, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So what's the sexiest accent to speak English in? That's not French.
Okay, I'm biased, but I like the Australian one.
Ah, good answer.
Yeah.
What? Bro, check this out. Oh shit.
You're good at this too.
We're getting better with experience. These
Yeah.
are the grindful hours that nobody sees behind the camera that really pays off in the end.
No, but it's good.
Alrighty.
Good
Beautiful.
job.
Yo, great acting over there, bro.
Well done.
Yeah.
Just gotta get.
The trees from this POV are so beautiful. Look at their color. Oh, Jesus!
Alright, well, the Ferris wheel was broken, but we got to film a heck of a lot of content for TikTok, which is really cool. So if you're not following our TikTok, it'll be somewhere in the description, so please go follow. But exactly
The Ferris
right.
wheel's not broken. Me and Pengu were just doing naughty things on it.
Oh, wow.
So right now they're doing some transitional shots for the vlog because we didn't really film any here because I'm a bad videographer. And so you see anything weird going on right now, it's because they're doing transitional shots in an interesting way.
So you're gonna drop it like it's hot, okay?
Ah, gotcha.
Woo!
Yes, and then I want you to turn and look at the camera centrally. So you're gonna start standing up. Then I want you to drop it fast. Yes, and then slowly come back up. Okay?
So what am I doing exactly?
So you're gonna drop it, and then you're gonna slowly come back up while centrally looking at the camera. Yes, that's the one. Okay, perfect.
Sounds too good.
How did this happen?
Let me know we're ready.
3, 2, 1, drop it.
Woo!
I love how your eyes followed the camera too.
He was committed.
Again, I want to take this opportunity to thank English. English in my voice right now, not working out. But like I said, I want to thank PSG TALON for bringing me on board and taking, I want to say, a risk of bringing a cosplayer as a content creator onto their team. I know it's definitely like a newer thing for anybody seeing that. And I'm just really appreciative that they recognize my work and they wanted to bring me on board. PSG TALON, by the way, merch. But I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. It motivates me because it goes to show that my work has been paying off. So it means a lot to me, and I appreciate you guys tons. From PSG to the followers, to friends, to my online people. And Montreal has been fun. You guys are awesome. So yeah, I just want to take the time to thank you all. It's been great. It's been a pleasure. And I hope the future looks good for all of us.